Hello and good evening, this is SolarisX, and today I'm going to show you how to format your Windows 10. First of all, what you need to do is go onto your computer and switch it on, and then you need to go to the boot settings. So whilst we going on, just keep typing the boot settings. As you can see, my boot settings is delete or F2. That'll take me straight to the BIOS mode. Then what you want to do, this is a new BIOS, so different systems will be differently. So what you want to do, over here it says F8 for boot menu. So if you haven't got boot menu, you want boot priority. You want to select Toshiba or your USB drive to be the first boot priority, so it boots up first, and then you want to save and exit. Remember, some BIOSes may be different, so you may need to look around where the save and exit is. You may need to look around where the boot options is. And now you want to restart. Once that's done, it's going to reboot. And hopefully you'll be rebooting to my USB drive. So if we give it 2 seconds. As you can see there, we got 64-bit or 32-bit system there. This is a free Windows 10. I will provide in the description below. So I'm a 64-bit user, so I need to select the 64-bit. So the white highlight goes to 64-bit. And then press enter. From there, the Windows will boot up, the Windows logo. And then we need to go to this settings right by there. And we need to select the language over here, whatever language you're using. I've set it up to United Kingdom. Language format, United Kingdom. Keyboard setout is United Kingdom. Then we need to go to next and then install now. Over here is where you enter your Windows activation. So if you haven't got your 25 code Windows activation key, you select I don't have a product key, because you can set up a product key later on in time. So I don't have a product key for the time being, and you can select Windows Home, Home N, Home single language, Education, Education N, Pro and Pro N. The N stands for no media, so basically it installs everything but the media player. So select whichever one your system is. Mine is a Windows 10 Pro 64-bit there. If it was a 32-bit system, over here will be times 86. But because it's a 64-bit system, over here will be provided as a times 64. Click next. This is terms and conditions, saying by law not to make a copy and do resales and all the terms and conditions may apply. Click next, and you got two options here: to upgrade Windows or install Windows. We want to custom install Windows only advanced, because I will show you how to sort of get your tool to format your Windows soon. You want to check through all your partitions, and you want to go to delete partition. Any partitions deleted. Well, before you delete partitions, make sure that you have removed any external hard drives or external floppy USB drives with important data, because if you got external drives with important work, you may lose the data if you accidentally delete it on this section. So make sure you remove your hard drive before doing this section here. So you want to delete any partitions. Now over here I got 1600 odd gigabytes there, same here. So basically you need to find ones that you can delete. So it looks like we all sorted. And this here, this 238 gigabytes, this is my solid state drive. I would recommend using solid state drive to install your Windows 10, because solid state drive will load up your Windows faster. You click next. Now we wait for this. So now we're going to copy Windows files, getting the files ready. And this would only take as long as how good your system is. So if you got good CPU and good RAM, it may run faster. If your RAM and CPU ain't too good, it will run slower. But because I got 32 gigabit RAM, this would run exceptionally fast. So if you wait a few seconds here, it should be done in no time at all. We're almost there. Once we get the files ready for installation, it will begin the installation features. Now we are installing the features, then installing most updates. I will provide this tool ready or down in the description below, so you can create your own USB and recommended 8 or 16 gigabyte Toshiba flash drive just to create this bootable disk. The computer will restart. So now we're going to get all the settings ready. Patience is required at this part was is getting all this stuff ready for you. From there, restart your computer. Now waiting for loading. Over here you want to select your region settings. I'm in the UK, so I'll select the UK region settings. Over here, the keyboard layout. My keyboard layout is United Kingdom, so we keep it as United Kingdom. Do you want to add an extra keyboard layout? No, thank you. Over here, do you want to set up for an organization? So is it a business computer or is it personal use? If it's not business, you want to set up for personal use. You can add your Microsoft account here, or if you haven't got a Microsoft account, you can create an offline account. Over here, saying to get the full range of the apps and services, sign in with Microsoft account. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you limited experience. Just go on without a Microsoft account. We want the username. And then we want to click next. Password, feel free to enter password here, or we can leave it blank. And now you want to use online speech recognition, or don't you want to use online speech recognition? I would recommend this one here. Use online speech recognition. Do you want to let Microsoft and apps use your location? I go yes. Find devices, yes. Full diagnostic data to Microsoft, yes. Improve inking and typing. Cool. Yes. Get tailored experiences with diagnosis data. Yes. Let apps use advertising ID. And now over here, do more across devices with activity. So you don't want to do more with other devices, let's say to connect to your computer. I always go yes. Let Cortana help you get settings. Don't Cortana to help you along. I would just accept that, just in case you need Cortana. There we go. Getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC, so leave it as it is. Almost there. Job done. Now all you have to do is install your graphics and all your apps and everything, and you're sorted. Over here we go to display settings. Because my screen is pretty big, I'm going to tune down the layout a bit. I'm going to put it to 175. Perfect. And this is my webcam, Logitech C920 Pro. So I'm going to install my Logitech there. Now if you click on Edge, you come up with this thing here. It's a new Edge version, so you want to download the Edge version right by there. Accept the terms and conditions. Then click close. Now you got the Edge installer. You want to go to run. And accept this here. Click yes. Now the new Edge will be installing for you. Here we go. Welcome back. So this is an updated version of Edge right by here. Sign in with your Microsoft account if you already signed in to Edge. This will like save all your data or all your passwords and stuff. I think passwords, I'm not sure, but you want to log into your Edge. Give me 2 seconds. use this account everywhere. Then you select yes, allow. Now it's going to sync all my settings and everything. I want to allow this, confirm it. Now because I've set up my Edge before, I can click the home button and it goes straight to Google. Over here is your pages and stuff like that. So if you add any favorites here before, it will keep them safe for you. And that's pretty much it. I hope you've enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and enjoy future content. Thank you.